kind of hard to see. But those little white specks, you see that's snow. And look, my yard's getting like soaking wet. Look at there's a person over there. See the person with the blue shirt on? That's funny. Why are they outside in the snow? Well, be quiet. You be quiet, Missy. Be quiet. Look at all the snow. Oh wow. Ow! Wolfie! You stressed me! Stop it! Man, I wish, Melissa, I wish you could see this right now. I wish you were still here. This is so awesome. It's been snowing like a lot lately. A little too late, huh? It's already February. Should have been snowed in December. We could have had a white Christmas. Oh well. Look at all the snow on the cars over there. Look at all that snow. I love it. It's so amazing. It's amazing. Wow, that's cool.